Today we're diving into a short but super impactful chest workout that'll have your pecs popping in no time. Hello, my sweet friend. Welcome back for another fabulous muscle building session. Today we're focusing on a low impact, high intensity chest workout that is perfect for beginners and pros alike. This routine will challenge your muscles while being super kind to the rest of your beautiful body. Let's go. First up, we have the low to high chest press. This bad boy targets your upper chest and really helps define that coveted chest shelf. Here's how to do it. Set the cables at the lowest position, grab your handles and step forward. Start with your hands at shoulder level. Slowly press up and out at an angle like you are Superman taking flight. Then, slowly lower back down and repeat until you've completed all sets and reps. We're doing 5 sets of 8 reps, increasing the weight with each set. This exercise is fantastic for building that upper chest fullness and improving your overall pressing strength. Next up, we're flipping the script with high to low chest presses. This move hits your lower chest, giving you that full rounded look. Let me break it down for you. For this move, you're going to set the cables at the highest position. Grab your handles, start with your hands at shoulder level, slowly press down and out at an angle until your arms are fully extended, and then slowly return to the starting position. We're doing 5 sets with 8 reps per set, progressively increasing the weight. This exercise is crucial for developing that lower chest sweep and improving your bench press power. Last but not least, we've got the mid chest fly. This isolation move is perfection for targeting the middle of your chest and creating that separation between your pecs. Here's the breakdown. Set your cables at shoulder height. Step forward with one foot, arms extended until you feel a stretch in your chest. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows, bring your hands and elbows together in front of your chest, squeezing your pecs at the point of contraction. Then, slowly return to the starting position. We're doing 5 sets with 12 reps per set here, and we're focusing on that mind-muscle connection. This exercise is so perfect for creating definition and improving overall chest symmetry. I find the mid-chest flies to be really challenging, and one of the things that has helped my mid-chest flies the absolute most is using my breath to power through those movements. You'll notice how I take a super deep breath when I expand my arms. I fill my lungs as much as I possibly can, and then I push out all the air as I bring my hands and elbows together and contract my pecs. You'll see my shoulders come up towards my ears while I do this, but it's only because I'm filling my lungs with as much air as they can hold. I am not shrugging my shoulders while I'm contracting or pushing the weight. Like every other movement we've done, it is best to engage your core and keep your shoulders back and down to prevent injury to your neck. As a whole, just remember, we're increasing the weight with each set. This progressive overload is crucial for continual muscle growth and strength gains. Make sure, above all else, that you listen to your body, but don't be afraid to challenge yourself. If the weight is too heavy, don't do it. Remember, safety above everything else. Keep your core engaged throughout every movement. Maintain a neutral spine, no arching or rounding of the back. Focus on moving through your chest, not your shoulders. And remember to breathe. Exhale on exertion and inhale on the return. And And there you have it, my friend. A short and not so sweet chest workout for maximum gains. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which exercise was your favorite. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.